Hi, good afternoon everyone. My name is Amos of 10KB Forex, and today is 19/11/2012, 5 minutes past 1 p.m. Just a quick recording on one of the market analyzed during the weekend for this week. This one is on the Ausdusd daily chart, and as you can see, this massive range was formed, and this massive range was formed. If you remember, if you check my weekend market analysis, you will see this analysis that I make. So the market was in this move, and this range was formed, and this is a week daily chart, and now the market break out of this channel, as we can see. And what we need to do is, and as you can see, we see a nice breakout, isn't it? For 2 days, you see two red printing over there, and you see at the moment, if I zoom out proper, maybe we can see. We see there are two nice breakout from this channel. Sorry, from the channel at the bottom, and the market is now at the moment coming back into that area. The area which we have to focus on, and because this is a daily time frame, and we need to switch to our trigger chart, which will be a 4 hours time frame. And as you can see, on our 4 hour time frame, we see the entry of the range of the channel, rather. See, that's the move. At this level, the market bounced off, the channel came back, and you enter the channel from there. So from there, we have to, focus on this channel, and that's what's happening on the channel. And this is the move we saw on daily, breakout of this channel to the downside. And if you remember, in one of my videos, I said when I see this kind of formation, I'm always looking for short. If I see it in this direction, I'm looking for a long one. So in this formation, I will not be looking for any long. And if you remember last week, we've taken some pips. This one that came down, we've taken the pips on 4 hours. We use the 4 hours as a setup, and we use the 4 hours to take our trade. But now we're looking at the bigger, time frame, which is the daily. So we use the 4 hours this time around to take our trade, if you understand what I mean. So on a big or larger time frame, you see the big move down, and the market is coming back to this line at the moment. So that is why we will focus on that area where we need to focus on. You see the market right now is bouncing around the round number, but for me, I will wait until the market get to this level. When the market get to this level, the reaction of the market at that area is what will determine my entry, or maybe I will pass on this trade, maybe I will cancel the trade completely. If the market come in here, if the market decided to come in here and decided to trend in here, I will cancel the old setup on Ausdusd completely for the day, and I will assess it maybe tomorrow to see what I can do on it. And don't forget that 3 o'clock today we'll be having economic news from US. I think it's home sales, so we need to be cautious with the way we take our trade. But nevertheless, we need to wait to see the market reaction. At this level where it is now is good, and because if you look at this area, it's very good. But for me, it's in this area, it's round number, and you see it's former support which broken down. But for me, I'm not trading that. I'm not trading this. I'm trading this line. So I will be waiting for the market to get back to this line, and the market reaction on that line will determine my decision in that area. So I just said, let me share with you. Maybe anyone is watching this, or if you don't, you didn't take note of this before, maybe you can take note of it now, and maybe you can have a nice peep here today. So I will update you on what is going on that. And another one is on the pound dollar, in which I talked earlier. I told you about this setup earlier, and the market it's not as fast as we expected, but it's going in our way. It's going in the direction which I expected it to go. So that's enough for me. If you see, I told you about this area. If I zoom back for you to see on daily. You see the area we're talking about on daily earlier in the morning. Market analysis weekend, I talk about it. This morning, I talk about it. Now the market is rejecting that area, and that's when I zoom or switch to my trigger chart, which is a 4 hours, and I took the trade. And so far, so good. It's not bad. The market is, moving a little bit in our direction. So this is where the market is at the moment. So which is okay. Entry here, stop loss here, and my target is somewhere around this rank number. And I will update you on whatever happened on this trade as well. Just a quick one. Later. Bye.